right, and welcome to Unobtainium CNC today, May 28th, Tuesday. First, we're going to go over the market close and see what the numbers for gold and silver look like today. After that, we're going to check out Kitco News for an article talking about what's happening or what could be happening with gold and silver in the near future. And then we're going to flip over to X Twitter and we're going to check out some of the pundits and see what they have to say about precious metals markets and where we might be heading. So here we go. So we have gold closing the day at 2360.9. That's up about almost $10 over yesterday's close. And silver ending up at 32.02 for the day, just above $32 mark, which is a great number to look at. That's up about 30 cents or so over yesterday's close. A little up and down volatility today. Late morning silver popped over $32 an ounce and stayed there for a minute and got slammed down pretty quickly, but end of the day at where you were looking at right now. All right, we're going to head over here to Kitco News and we're going to check this article out. Gold and silver both poised to resume uptrend after last week's correction. Precious metals saw a sharp bearish correction last week, but prices are rebounding this week as silver leading the pack, according to Kim Kramer-Larson, technical analyst at Saxo Bank. Larson did say that if gold price breaks above $23.85 per ounce, the prior uptrend is likely back on track with potential to target $2,500. The 55-day moving average will add to bullish support, he said, whereas a close below $22.77 confirms a downtrend. He added that the RSI is indicating a divergence, which suggests that the uptrend could be in exhaustion mode. However, a close back above 60 threshold and above upper falling trend line would be a strong indication of another bullish push in gold, he said. Turning to silver, Larson noted that spot silver has bounced from a 0.382 Fibonacci retracement at $30 per ounce, and he believes the gray metal is likely to resume its uptrend. Daily RSI is still showing positive sentiment with no divergence, indicating silver could push to levels above 32.52. All right, now we're going to head over to Twitter X and check out this post here from VBL's Ghost. It reads, World War Silver. We are in JP Morgan's world now. If you're a bank without access to silver in the Shanghai Gold Exchange or the Shanghai Futures Exchange and are short COMEX, you are being run by another American bank who is getting up while you sleep. Bullion banks are eating each other now. It's a guess. If I'm right, wait until first notice day in silver. COMEX spreads will tell the tale. Now, that's basically in reference to the fact that JP Morgan went over to speak with the Chinese government and more or less kind of cut them a deal so that they could make some money on the arbitrage from the spreads that they're sending physical metals from the COMEX over to the Shanghai Gold Exchange. And if you look at the current spreads, and we'll go to this next chart here, you can see that the difference on the Shanghai Gold Exchange of silver close is $35.51. And of course, gold is at $23.6909 on the SGE. If you look at that, that's about 11% spread with silver. So if you have some deep pockets and you have some funds available and access from the COMEX to the SGE, then there's possibility of making a pretty good chunk of change. So that's going on right now, and you're seeing that price difference between the COMEX and the SGE. It's been like that for quite some time, and gold just caught up about a week or so ago, and now looks like silver's starting to slowly creep its way, but for silver to catch up, it still needs another 11% to get up to that 35.5 number. So I guess we'll just have to wait and see if anything happens this week. It'd be very, very interesting to see silver hitting those high numbers. All right, so what's my conclusion to all this? It looks like China is going to continue to bring the price of silver and gold a little